all, welcome to my channel Education, Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a speech on leadership that is inspired by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Speech on Leadership, inspired by Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Good morning, everyone. Today, I am here to speak about a powerful quality that shapes our future. That is leadership. Leadership is not about holding a position or power. It is about inspiring others, guiding them, and creating a better tomorrow. Just like Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam did throughout his life. According to Dr. Kalam, a great leader must have vision. Without a vision for the future, a leader has no direction. The second quality is passion. Dr. Kalam believed that only passionate leaders can turn dreams into reality through dedication and hard work. The third quality is the ability to be a lifelong learner. A true leader always seeks knowledge and learns from everyone, young or old. The fourth leadership trait is the ability to travel an unexplored path. Dr. Kalam said, "Don't follow the crowd. Create your own path." The fifth is the courage to take decisions. Great leaders take bold decisions even when the path is uncertain. The sixth quality is handling success and failure equally. Dr. Kalam taught us that a real leader takes responsibility in failure and gives credit to the team in success. Leadership is also about building others, empowering, encouraging, and bringing out the best in our team. In conclusion, true leadership, as shown by Dr. Kalam, is not about ruling, but about serving. Let us all strive to become visionary, courageous, and humble leaders who lift others as we rise. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.